In this video, we'll talk about the tropical rainforest and some of their characteristics. But before that, I'll present our team, which is composed by Valeria Flores, Mara Orozco, Jessica Magaña, Brian Duarte, Andrea Martinez, and me, Quetzali Vasquez. First of all, what is the importance of this biome? Well, tropical rainforests represent about 16% of our land surface. They hold about 50% of terrestrial biodiversity, and one-third of the Earth's plants are located here. Rainforests store at least 250 billion tons of carbon, and they transform about 55 to 30% of dioxide carbon into oxygen. They also help to prevent soil erosion, and more than 25% of our medicines originate from tropical forest plants. Then we have the question, how abiotic factors relate to the type of organisms living there? Well, the organisms living there need some special factors that you can find in the tropical rainforest, like climate, which is defined by the fact they are hot and wet, typical of the biome. Temperature ranges from 18 to 30 degrees Celsius, humidity, sunlight, water, rocks, soils, etc. That led us with the question, what is the pattern of temperature and precipitation for that biome? The rainforest has lots of rain because it's very hot and wet. This climate is found near the equator. That means that there is more direct sunlight hitting the land and sea there than anywhere else. It rains more than 90 days a year, and the strong sun usually shines between the storms. The average temperature of a rainforest is about 77, but it never drops below 64 Fahrenheit. The rainforest is about the same temperature year-round. Now, what plants and animals are found there? Talking about producers, we have the lianas and algae that are generally found on the surface of water bodies like rivers and lakes. Then, we have the consumers. They are divided in 5 groups. Herbivores, like the howler monkey, who live high up in the forest canopy. Herbivores, like the green anaconda, lives on the banks of the Amazon River. Omnivores, too, can live in the rainforest canopy. They eat tropical rainforest fruits. The composers, they make nests in the rainforest trees. The tretivores, they roam on ground, live on any soil with an organic component. Where is the biome found in Mexico? Mexican rainforests are the most northerly tropical rainforests in the New World. They start around the latitude of Mexico and rule southward in the lower elevations. These forests hold an amazing number of plants and animals. What pollutants are involved in this biome? Forests around the world are affected by air and water pollution produced from industrial and commercial activities. Besides the pollution caused by oil spills, toxic byproducts, and mining accidents, rainforests are seriously degraded by air pollution. Acid rain, which has been increased in the tropics in recent decades due to the growing industrialization, also takes its toll on the tropical forest. Dumping of trash and human waste into tributaries from overcrowded cities has resulted in serious pollution in many tropical countries. In some areas, rivers are no longer safe for humans' use, while plant and animal life suffers. Animal endangerment is a big environmental issue, and the number of endangered animals is constantly on rise. Some of them are the golden lion tamarin monkey, toucans and parrots, jaguars, gorillas, poison dart frogs, manatees, Bengal tigers, chimpanzees, harpy eagles, orangutans, etc. Ways to avoid extinction. Each of us need to be thoughtful about the way we consume these products and can support companies and programs that make a commitment to safe environmental practices. Recycle and reuse whenever possible and help keep the earth green and healthy.